Good morning, students, teachers, and all staff at Furry Elementary. Can I please have your attention for the announcements? Well, if you do the work every day, meaning that you're staying above the line when disciplined with your actions and choices, then you're going to build skill every day. And will you make mistakes when you're doing the work to build skill? Well, most likely. But that doesn't mean that you're losing skill or you lost any skill. Remember that we can learn from our mistakes, which means we can use mistakes to help us to build skill. So let's take a look at the first discipline of the R factor, which is to press pause. I want you to think about, how do we build skill at pressing pause? How do we get better at that? It starts with knowing that pressing pause is the first step to a disciplined response. We're always going to have to press pause. And that pause may be really short and it may be a little bit longer. But we have to keep in our mind that we're always going to have to press pause. Starts up here. And when we have an event and we press pause well, we've got to recognize that, learn from that, and know that we're going to have to do it again. And if we have the opposite, where we have an event where we just react without ever pressing pause, we have to own that and realize the below the line outcome that failing to press pause achieved for us. And then we've got to get better and build skill by knowing that the next time we have a similar event, we want to make sure we press pause first. Now, building skill at anything takes practice. Getting better at pressing pause takes practice. And one way you could do that is embracing tough events to practice pressing pause. For example, a tough challenge that may be or a difficult event for some is to speak in front of other people. Now, the way we're going to build skill at that is we first press pause before we face that difficult event. And then we embrace that challenge over and over, meaning, in this example, we're going to continue to find ways to keep speaking in front of people, which helps us to get better at it each and every time. The same thing can be said about pressing pause. Every time we do it, we're going to get a little bit better, as long as we're giving our best effort towards it. So do the work to build skill today. Get better at pressing pause. Embrace the challenge of a difficult event and build skill at growing the best version of you today. And now will everyone please stand, face the flag, put your right hand over your heart, and join me for the Pledge of Allegiance and the Pirate Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. At Furry Elementary School, we work to build trust so we can count on each other. We own our responses and take responsibility for our actions. We work to connect as pirates and support one another. We learn the pirate way so we can be the best versions of ourselves. All right. Thank you, everyone. Today is Tuesday, December 5th, 2023. For lunch today, will be mac and cheese with broccoli, breadstick, and strawberries. If you're choosing a sandwich this week, it will be ham and cheese or peanut butter and jelly. Well, we have one birthday to celebrate at Furry today. We want to say happy birthday to Wyatt Fisher, because he celebrated his birthday along with the Furry team. Hope you have a wonderful birthday today, Wyatt, and enjoy getting a year older on this Tuesday. And another academic congratulations to recognize this morning. We want to say congratulations to kindergarten student Mackenzie Bush for joining the Alphabet Club and passing word list number 2, and that's in Miss Cullen's class. Well done to Mackenzie and all of those students who continue doing the work to build skill at their academic selves. And now we'll take that moment to press pause and get our minds right. And remember that actually every time we're doing this on the morning announcements and we're truly doing our best at pressing pause and getting our minds right, we're building skill at pressing pause. So let's go ahead and first start by breathing in for 4 and hold. Breathe out. All right. Very, very good. Just one other announcement. We do have a Pirate Way assembly this afternoon, so we will see everyone and come together and connect as a furry team at 2:45 today. So we look forward to seeing everyone together at the end of our school day today, or towards the end of it, I should say. And that's going to be it for the announcements this morning. So let's just keep doing the work to build trust, to own, and to connect. And let's make it a great day, furry.